explain you how you can appear or attempt in half yearly examination. For this you will get a link through WhatsApp. Therefore you will click on WhatsApp and you can find link of your examination. You have to click on that link. After clicking on that link will open. You have to open your link in Google Chrome. Suppose that you are using any browser, then you will copy this link and paste in the address bar of Google Chrome. This link will properly work in Google Chrome. In other browser, it will create problem for you. This link is opening, and in few seconds you can find your link on your front of you. Okay, I can see here a demo question. In first we have to you have to choose section. After this you have to mention roll number. After this you have to mention admission number. After this you have to mention your name, which will be in capital letter. For capital letter you will click on this arrow, double click. You can see I am clicking on, double tap on this arrow, and this will enable caps lock. After mentioning whole information, we will click on next. Okay, after next you can find here multiple choice questions. Here are 15 questions and each question of 1 mark. Here are 4 options for all question. Which option will be correct? You have to choose. One option will choose for one question. One option will be chosen for one question, and after this you will get true false. And here is also 15 questions and each question of 1 mark. Here is 2 options for each question. One is true and second is false. Which one will true? You have to click on that. After this you have to press on next. Suppose that you want to edit, you will click on back, not through mobile phone. Here is the back option available for you. You have to click on back. Suppose that no changing required, you will click on next. After pressing next, you will jump on section B, and in section B you have to write your answer in notebook. Okay, first of all you will pick a A4 sheet paper or any kind of copy. At the top of copy or A4 sheet you will write your name, admission number, roll number, class section, subject name, date of birth. After mentioning this, you will write number of question and their answer. You have not need to write question in your copy or notebook. After this, you will click on add file. After pressing on add file, you will get such type of option. You have to click on select file from your device. When you click on select file from your device, you will get some options like camera, cam recorder, recorder, files. You will click on camera. Suppose that you have written your answer in one page, you will click on camera. Suppose that you have written your answer in multiple pages, you have to convert into PDF. To making PDF, you can use multiple softwares like Kagaj Scanner, Adobe Scan, Cam Scanner, etc. I am simply clicking on camera For one page, we will adjust our camera on page and click capture option. After this, we will click on we can find here two options. One is for cancel and one is for submit. Suppose that any changes required, you have to cancel and retake your picture. Suppose that you you don't want to need change, you will click on submit. After clicking on, you can see your file is uploaded here. After this, you have to click upload. After clicking on upload, it will take few seconds and your file has been uploaded now. After uploading, you have to simply click on submit. When we click on submit, we will get a message that your response has been recorded and congratulations, you have successfully participated in half yearly examinations. Thank you.